Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Select Juggernaut. Okay, so first step, we are going to use Boston number 4 flat black for our primer para magkaroon ng adhesive surface yung ating action figure. Okay, for the next step, we are going to use Hero water-based acrylics, leather brown, brick red, warm red, and blood red, and also orange. So yung process natin dito, dry brushing technique yung gagawin natin. So i-drag lang natin yung paint across the surface para lahat ng mga nakaangat na areas malalagyan ng pintura. So start tayo sa leather brown and then red. So let's start with the darkest color. Tapos yung medium tone and then yung lightest tone. And then next paint naman, water-based acrylic matte black. We are going to apply it sa kanyang shoulders. So ang ginagawa natin dito, gumagawa tayo na sectioning na. Sectioning na yung ginagawa natin para magkaroon ng color separation. And then after that, we are going to use gunmetal and steel for the boots and the black parts. Gagamit din tayo ng dry brushing technique. Okay, next, para naman doon sa mga line art natin, gagamit na tayo ng finer brush and then white paint para mag-apply ng line art. Yan. So ito na yung appearance after we apply the line art all over the Juggernaut here itself, the action figure. And then, next paint, magenta naman. So dito, dry brushing method din yung gagamitin natin. So we are going to paint over the white na line art na ginawa natin. Okay. Tapos next step, since pag natuyo na yung magenta, mag-apply ulit tayo ng another layer of white na line art naman para mukha siyang nag-glow. Bibigyan natin ng illusion na nag-glow yung lines na pinaint natin underneath. So by doing this, magkakaroon siya ng illusion na nag-glow yung mga neon lines. And there you have it. We are done dito sa ating Juggernaut Fear itself na custom repaint na project. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.